Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to increase image resolution and quality in Gimp. So what you're going to have to do is to simply open Gimp and then go to File and Open and select an image. After that you're going to have to go to Image and then simply select the print size, and then here you're going to have to simply, as you can see, if print size, width and height are not shown as inches, select the drop down beside height and select in, and in the X and Y resolution fields type in your desired resolution. So here you're gonna have to simply choose the resolution that you want to increase to, and after that simply click OK, and basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see, it's a different in resolution from 300 pi to 600. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.